Hello, how are you? Quick video. It's been pretty much 4 months to the day since the last video update on this channel, and that last video update was regarding my mental health. So I think Amazon's here. It was regarding my mental health and my issues with my weight, and that video was greatly received by many. I had many people reach out to me, email, phone, Facebook messages. I even had people turn up at the workshop that weren't even local. They'd driven here just to basically have a chat. Turns out that what I had said in that video of me pouring my heart out resonated with a lot of people. A lot of people in a similar situation, you know, absolute units like I was. And, you know, a lot of people seem to have got on a path to rectify their body and go on to better ways to, you know, to lose weight, to improve their life, basically, which is really good. So why have I left it this long for a video update? Well, the main thing is when I filmed the video 4 months ago, I had reached the 5 stone weight loss target. I don't know what it was in kilos. I don't really care to explain or figure it out. So 4 months later, I've just hit another milestone. I'm now at a 8 stone loss. So in kilos, I started my journey at 150 kilos, and I've lost just over 50 kilos. So we could call it 51. So I am now under 100 kilos in weight, and you know, you can definitely tell it in my face. I've no longer got 4 chins, and my cheeks are pretty gone. But clothes-wise, you can't tell because I'm still wearing the same 4XL hoodies that I made for the workshop. So yeah, massive milestone. 50 kilos is a lot to weight. Sleep better. My health in general is better. Obviously, we're still exercising 3 or 4 times a week. We're still managing to treat ourselves with food, which is pretty good. But my relationship with food compared to how it was 8 months ago is completely changed now, and I no longer treat food as a stress reaction. My stress reaction now is to go swimming, and if I'm having a stressful day and I get myself in that pool, that's usually a day that I will smash a PB, because I will just take my anger out in that water and yeah, do a PB. Talking of PBs, I think my PB now for 1,000 meters is I think it's 25 minutes, and I think when I did the video it was 28 minutes. I think I've just done, so I've managed to knock 3 minutes off my PB due to strength. Obviously there's a lot less weight to propel through the water now. Second reason there's been no video update in the last 4 months is I've been building the summit super secret, and as you can see where I am now is one of my lifts where said car has been stood on there for 5-6 months now, and it's no longer here. It's gone on a holiday. Speaking of which, straight after I upload this to the YouTubes, I'm going on holiday for 2 weeks, and hopefully when I come back the car will be back here, because they've agreed to drop the car off back here after they've done what they're doing with it. So hopefully when I get back off holiday I can jump straight into the car, go to the track day, and just hopefully go test all these improvements that I made out. But something super fucking awesome that I can't wait to show the world, and can't show you now because we've agreed to keep the actual build under wraps. And because of that, I've not been able to film anything in this workshop other than the occasional Instagram shot or something over there on my welding bench, just so we didn't get the car in the background. Now, it's not under any form of NDA. We've just decided to just keep it a bit secret, just so that when we reveal the car to the world in 4 weeks' time, you know, we kind of want to break the internet for a couple of minutes. And I truly think we're going to do that. You know, we've built we've built something super special, and you're gonna really enjoy it. So yeah, that's really it. That's really it, really. That's why I've been no video updates. I've been too busy building this car, and you know, setting up another side business, and then top of doing the paperwork and actually doing people's orders and stuff. It's been a lot to juggle, and you know, when you film stuff, it just takes a long time. So yeah, anything else? Me and Russian started a new video collaboration channel, which will be released at some point, maybe towards the summer, once we've got the first project car built, or at least got some decent progress on it anyway. But other than that, the Micra, we've picked up a few new sponsors this year, some minor ones, some major names. We've managed to get most of previous partners back on board for this year. There are some partners that are that are just part of the entire thing anyway, just because of what they've done for me in the past. So yeah, with that being said, it is 2:30 on Friday the 4th, and I'm about to go home because I'm about to go drive to Gatwick to go get my flight tomorrow morning for my holiday. So yeah, short video. Love you. See you in 4 weeks when we do a epic unveil of the new car. Hopefully, it's going to be worth the wait.